Ngayon, gagamitin naman natin ang quadratic formula sa pagsosolve ng roots of quadratic equation. Ang formula ng ating quadratic formula ay x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Example number 1. Okay, x squared plus 3x minus 28 equals 0. Okay, ang first step na gagawin mo, i-identify muna natin ang value ng a, b at c. Okay, i-identify muna natin ang value ng A, B at C. Okay, ang value ng A dito ay 1. Kasi 1 yung nasa quadratic coefficient. Next, ang value ng B, middle term natin, yung positive 3. Okay, 3. At ang value naman ng C natin dito ay negative 28. Isasama natin kung anong sign ng ating constant term. Okay, x equals negative B. Kopyahin lang natin ang formula. Plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Ayan, ito yung ating formula. Then substitute na natin negative, ang value ng b ay 3. Positive negative square root of 3 squared minus 4 times 1 at value ng c is negative 28 all over 2 times 1. X equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, we're going to multiply 28 times 24 to the right side of our paper. 28 times 4, 32, 8, 11, that is 112. Since negative times negative, that is positive 112. Over 2 times 1 is 2. Okay. We're going to continue our solution. X equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 112 is 121 over 2. Then x equals negative 3 plus or minus 11 because square root of 121 is exact 11. Then x sub 1, we're going to separate because we have two roots. First root is x sub 1 equals negative 3 plus 11 over 2. And x sub 2, we have negative 3 minus 11 over 2. X sub 1 is negative 3 plus 11 is positive 8. Divide 2, x sub 1 is 80 by 2 is 4. Our first root is positive 4. Next, second root, negative 3 minus 11, like sign, odd, then copy the sign which is negative 14. Divide 2, x sub 2 is negative 14, divide 2 is negative 7. The second root is negative 7. Therefore, the roots are negative 7 and 4. Ayan, kung mapapansin natin, ang ating quadratic formula ay ginagamit lalo na kapag ang ating quadratic equation ay hindi factorable. Makukuha natin ang roots of quadratic equation. Okay, next, given number 2, we have 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Identify muna natin ang value ng a, which is 2, value ng b is 5, value ng c is negative 3. Then, applying the formula, bring down the formula. We need to write always the formula. X equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Do not forget the formula. X equals, substitute, negative 5 positive negative square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 3. Okay, next, we have 2 as our denominator, 2 times 2. X equals negative 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared is 25 minus 4, that is plus, because negative times negative is positive. 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 is 24. Divide 4, negative 5 plus or minus 49, because 25 plus 24 is 49. X equals negative 5 plus or minus square root of 49 is 7 over 4. Separate it, x sub 1 or the first root, negative 5 plus 7 over 4 as positive. Second root for negative value, negative operation, negative 5 minus 7 over 4. x sub 1 is positive 2 over 4, that is 1 half. Next, we have x sub 2, our second root. Negative 5 minus 7 is negative 12, divide 4, that is negative 3. Okay, therefore, as we can see from the result, the roots are negative 3 and 1 half. Okay, that's all. Hopefully you learned from this method quadratic formula.